Hello and welcome to our video demonstration of how to use the brand new Guides for Brides live stream feature. The feature is easy to operate, using familiar platforms such as Facebook and YouTube, in collaboration with Zoom. This video guide will take you through the 5 easy steps to set up your live stream so that you can share your wedding with those who cannot be there. Step 1. Getting started. We'll send you an email with login details for a specially configured Zoom Enterprise account, as well as the link to invite others to join you. You will receive this email up to a few days before the wedding, giving you time to prepare to have a practice run if necessary. Step 2. Setting up. You'll need to use a laptop or desktop computer as your control panel. Others can join using mobiles or tablets to make filming easier. Launch Zoom in the same way you'd start a normal call, and from there you can run your live stream. You may need someone to operate the control panel via Zoom, so they can mute microphones and turn cameras off where required. This includes their own. This will mean that they do not appear during the live stream unless you want them to. Step 3. Going live. When you're ready to start your live stream, click More and choose either Facebook or YouTube. We recommend going on a few minutes before your ceremony begins so that you can make sure that everything is ready to go on time and nothing is missed. You can choose whether to go live on your own Facebook page, on a dedicated page or group, or via another platform such as YouTube. You will need to be logged into your account first. Check that you have set the title and description of your stream in the launcher. Press the Go Live button when you're ready. You will know that you've gone live when you either see the video appear on your Facebook feed or via the red live icon in the top left-hand corner of your Zoom control panel. It's important to note that the stream should begin immediately after you press Go Live, and the video can be delayed by up to 1 minute, so may not appear immediately for those tuning in. Everything will still be captured after the moment you press Go Live. Step 4. Managing the live. Once you've gone live, you can use the Zoom control panel to pin a video in the spotlight and turn off cameras or microphones of those who are not yet needed. When cameras and microphones are off, they will not appear in the live. Whoever is operating the control panel will need to turn their camera off and mute themselves whilst they control the live stream, unless their camera is needed. To see more than one view on the live stream, ensure the control panel is in gallery view. If a camera is off, you can only request that it be turned on. You cannot turn it on without the operator's permission, so coordination and a practice run is important. Step 5. Ending the live stream. You can end your live stream via the control panel. Simply click on the red Live button and click End Live Stream. You can restart the live stream as often as you like throughout the day, and it will all be saved to the cloud or via Facebook to watch again as often as you choose. That's all you need to know to live stream your wedding with the Guides for Brides live stream feature. All steps are anchored in the description if you need guidance on a specific point. Thank you for choosing Guides for Brides, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides, vlogs and the latest wedding news.